Okay, so this is from Litbear USA, I think. So let's see what they have. Yeah, these are acne patches. Yeah, I already tried this brand before. Was it last year? Yeah, like fall, and I like them. They actually work. So they reached out to me again. They were like, do you want to collab again? I was like, yeah, sure, because I get a lot of pimples and I always run out of acne patches. So I was like, girl, I need it, and right now because I actually don't really have any. The ones that I have don't really work. It's from some certain brands. So yeah, I'm breaking out like crazy. It's annoying. So you see, okay, so let me see. These look different from last time. So they sent me 2 different ones. Let's see. Okay, so this one's the thin for discreet and flexible daytime wear. So these are the ones that you get to use when you go outside, and this is so thin, so it's not gonna be really noticeable. And those are the sizes. So it comes with 60. That's a lot. They have tea tree oil. Oh yeah, this one, it smells like tea tree oil, so if you don't like it, the scent, you're not gonna like it, but after putting it there for a while, it's not gonna smell anymore. So yeah, I don't mind. I actually like the scent now. Before I was like it's too strong, it smells like chemical, but I don't know. But then I don't know, I just started liking it. You know, one of those things. Okay, so basically you just wash your pimple area and then you put it on, and then you just press it down for like 3 to 5 seconds, and then you just remove it after 6 to 8 hours. So yeah, that's basically it for this one. And this one is basically the same thing, but this one you use at nighttime because these are the overnight use. So these are actually thick. So this is when you're just at home, like at night, or when you sleep, you know, or the days that you don't go out, you can use these. So, and it has the same ingredients, so it's literally the same thing, I think. Let me see. Oh, actually no, that's different ingredients. Okay, this one has where is it at? These 2 ingredients, and then this one has like 3 different ingredients. So never mind, so whichever you prefer, but both of those look like they're gonna work. These ingredients, I like it because, listen, these actually work because it doesn't have like a lot of extra chemical things. These are like kind of like work good for you, you know. So you actually like them. So you can get these on their Amazon storefront. I think that's where they sell these. They do have an Instagram, so yeah, and I'll put a clip of me using them, like right here on my chin and all that. So I checked their brand out. And I've been wanting to bite it. I forgot the brand name. Oh, I totally forgot. I do care. I think those actually work too. Okay, yeah. So yay, thank you, Litbear, for sending me these. I always get excited when I get acne patches because they are my favorite skincare product right now. Oh yeah, and they have like heart-shaped ones, like different ones. And I asked them, like, can I have like the star shape or the heart ones? But they didn't tell me yes or nothing. But it's still nice to have. Yeah, I'm still shit. Bye. Thank you.